want to talk to you about the new Combine Logins feature in Virtual Keypad. The Combine Logins feature of Virtual Keypad allows you to combine multiple Virtual Keypad accounts into a single login that you can use to access all of your systems. If you have a login at work and a login at home, you can combine these logins together and access both accounts with a single email and password. Let me show you how to do that. In Virtual Keypad, log in with the email address you'd like to use going forward. Navigate to the top right and select Settings. Now select Login. At the bottom, select Configure next to Combine Logins. Here, you'll see the list of systems associated with this login. Click Add another login. Now, enter in the email and password of the login you'd like to combine. Then press Combine Logins. Now, you've combined both your home and your business login into a single email and password that you can use to access all systems. Now you can add any additional logins or click the X button to finish up. Now on the left, you can see and access all systems associated with this login. With the Combine Logins feature, you no longer have to maintain multiple logins to Virtual Keypad. Simply use a single email and password to access and manage all of your systems. For any additional questions, reach out to your DMP DDM or visit dmp.com.